All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So, anyway, regardless of whatever else. Who cares whatever? Who cares what next? Yeah. I will learn Arabic anyway. Yeah. I know how to speak Spanish anyway. Yeah. Anyway, it's easy. Yeah. How cool is that? The dog will walk past the water anyway. It's got to happen regardless. It will happen regardless. Yeah, no matter what else happens. Yeah. How cool is that? I saw it, and anyway, I'm busy. I couldn't do anything. They all went there anyway. Yeah. All the people went to the party anyway. So I saw them all. How cool is that? I will go there anyway, so I'll see you soon. He saw them anyway earlier today. She thinks it will happen anyway later on. No matter what happens, she thinks that will happen anyway. It will happen anyway, because that is how it is built. Yeah. They thought they would see me anyway, but they were wrong. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So I've been to Scotland anyway. I've been there already. Maybe somewhere else. Because I've been there anyway, we might need to go somewhere else instead. Yeah. She is writing all the time anyway. She's busy, she can't see you, and anyway, she's writing all the time. She is busy and cannot see anyone, and anyway, she is writing and has no time for visitors. Anyway. They would have been here by now anyway. Another place instead. They should have been here anyway. But I'm not sure where they are. They are late. Anyway, they're going to be here, but I don't know where they are. They're late. I don't know. How cool is that? Yeah, so anyway, going to happen regardless. Now, can you use anyway in a sentence? Write the sentence in the comments below and like the video. More lessons to come. Subscribe, more videos to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy by typing in Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.